these days, especially the new investor, well, in that case, the old investors also, I would say, is very much worried that the stock market valuation is very high. My portfolio has also probably reached its all-time high. The returns are high. What should I do? Should I sell it and put the amount in FD? So, lot of questions I'm getting. So the point here is that you should understand that you are investing or you are invested in small pieces of businesses which are called stocks. This is nothing like crypto or something wherein it comes down, goes up drastically. These are small businesses. So you own a business. Say for an example, you liked a grocery shop below your society building. Then you understood that investing model, the business, and you understood that going forward this grocery shop can deliver high ROI, return on investment. So you bought that grocery shop, say for 50 lakhs. Then you hired the shopkeeper also, who is very intelligent and sincere, and he is working for you. Now the business is going on. In 6 months there came a recession or maybe a pandemic wherein people have stopped coming to the shop and buying it directly. Say they have opted online stuff. Then it's a temporary glitch. Say for another 6 months it will be difficult for the grocery shop to sustain, or maybe you are at a break even. But will you sell that shop, or will you be resilient and patient and stay invested, or will hold that grocery shop for next 6 months, and then you know that going forward the demand is going to be even more and the grocery shop will generate more income for you. So similarly, stocks, if it is having a temporary glitch or due to small macro or microeconomical issue which is in short term in nature, or maybe the market crashes or corrects, so these are all short term in nature. In a longer run the market is always going up, which is known to you, and also you are invested in a fundamentally strong business. So in that case you don't have to be worried that should I sell it today, should I sell it tomorrow. Only if the business fundamentals or the management changes or the complete team changes, then only you should consider selling it. Otherwise, if the valuations are kind of okay, and obviously while buying the valuation should be lower, you being a value investor, but then once you buy it the stock multiplies and it catches up with its intrinsic value, then you don't have to be worried. Earnings of the company, if it is good, it goes up, then the stock price also goes up. The market price of the stock catches up with the earnings is how the stock price goes up, not by somebody trading. So simple answer, if you are holding a quality business, a piece of it, you don't have to sell it, you just have to be patient. Happy investing.